Hey guys, Rich Lopez with the Drop Time Traditions podcast. I'm in the shop here sweating my balls off, working on a 1968 Super Kodiak. Let me turn the camera around so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, I scraped off the finish using my blades. So as you can see, there's residual clear coat still here, a little bit here, some right there, and a spot right there. So with that, I'm just going to take some standard 120 grit sandpaper and basically remove this stuff. It's only about a mil thick, so it won't take much effort to come off. So you see that powder there? That's phenolic. That's the black crap in the handle. So there, it's pretty much gone. Then we got to come in here, work these little spots. You can see it's coming down. What I'm looking for is that powder. That's when I'm down to the raw material. Yeah, don't mind my wrinkles. It's coming. That's what she said. Yeah, so from there, I'm going to have to just keep sanding. I'm also using some wet sandpaper, aluminum oxide, 220 wet or dry. Going in there like so. Give you an idea what the black will look like. Everything will look like once there's clear coat on this bow. So you wipe it down. See how nice and rich it looks? Not nice? Beautiful, huh? Then let's pretend there's clear on it. It's amazing. Look at that. It's like a baby's ass. So you kind of get the idea. This is what I'm doing all day today. It should be ready for paint or clear coat tomorrow. But at any rate, I want to thank you all for following along, and on my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. The subscriptions help me just grow the content. Take care, guys. Bye bye.